Hi, this is Woo Jang. Welcome to my channel. I just picked up my Model Y a couple days ago, and today we'll take a look at the exterior. Model Y is a crossover SUV, and you may feel it looks very similar to Model 3. And they actually shares about 70% of the parts. But experience from the driver perspective is very different due to its size and few changes made to Model Y. Let's take a look. Many people are interested in build quality of Model Y, and I had a chance to look into it during the car wash right after the pickup. Overall, body gaps and paint quality are pretty good. I found some misalignment on the plastic cover on the rear wheel, and the charge cover is sticking out a bit, but I'll be fine if Tesla says that's within the spec. Model Y also equipped with 8 cameras to cover 360-degree views and ultrasonic sensor to run autopilot. Something slightly different from Model 3 is the B-pillar's camera cover. Tesla decreased the size of the camera cover, so it's less noticeable from outside. Headlights, taillights, and charge port are the parts that are sharing with Model 3. I upgraded to 20-inch induction wheels, which cost me an extra $2,000. I plastic-dipped my Model 3 wheels because it felt too bright, but I don't think I need to do any modification to the satin black wheels. And it comes with the Goodyear Eagle F1 summer tires. Since Model Y removed a pillar between the front seats and rear passenger seats, it comes with a giant panoramic roof to provide a spacious interior and great view from inside. I think this will also reduce some wind noise. The side mirrors are also changed a bit. The width got shorter, but the height is a bit taller than Model 3. You can still fold them electronically, but the auto dimming function is now gone. Lots of Tesla owners are doing Chrome delete, but you don't have to do this for Model Ys. Blacked out trims come standard with Model Y. Door handles are also painted black inside and out, and also for side camera covers. The Tesla emblems on the hood and trunks remain chrome, but I'm thinking about plastic dipping to match with others. As you guys already know, Tesla comes with the front trunk frunk. There is no physical button to open, so you can use your Tesla mobile app, key fob, or touchscreen to open the trunk. Since Model Y is slightly taller than Model 3, the front cargo space also got deeper. Model Y doesn't come with a front floor mat. There is some sort of ceiling or cap underneath the hood to protect debris coming in. It makes it a bit hard to close than Model 3. The struck part to support hood has been moved underneath the plastic cover, so it might be harder to modify those of you who want to do auto opening trunk. I tried putting my Model 3 floor mat, but even with the deeper storage, a bottom surface was actually a bit smaller. One of the biggest difference from Model 3 is the hatchback trunk. Now it has a power lift gate. You can use your mobile app or press physical button to open automatically. It's really convenient feature, and Model 3 should have this one too. Once you open, you're greeted with a huge cargo space. Model Y doesn't come with a cargo cover, but it has 2 secret compartments underneath. One of them similar to what Model 3 has, but slightly deeper and wider. And one more compartment behind that space. It's about 6 inch deep. You can put your mobile charger bag and it will fit. There are also 2 deep pockets on the sides. If you want to expand cargo space, you can fold down rear seats independently. It folds in 60-40 split. You can use the button on the left side of the trunk or use the button on the seats to fold them. With this space, you can easily load large stuff like gold bags or even able to do car camping here. I believe there is a spring installed into the seats, so you'll need some force to pull it up. This is a floor mat that I was using for Model 3, and as you can see, the max width is almost identical, but there are some increase in cargo depth and have extra space. You can use the Tesla app or simply press the button on the trunk. Model Y also added a heat radar to prevent snow or ice sticking to the bumper, and a heat pump to improve wintertime battery efficiency. I'll be covering Model Y interior on next video. Please subscribe if you don't want to miss my next videos, and feel free to leave comments. See ya!